What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to play Broken Bones IV. Now I have what do you call it, forgot. Yeah, I've already joined the game. It just takes a long time like to enter the game, so it might take like maybe nice trophy. It takes like around 30 seconds to load, so in we are. Now I'm not very good, and by the way, if you can see, let me just if you can see down here where my mouse is, it says $0 and oh, now it doesn't, but my throat. I have been using it a while. God, I'm so stretchy. Oh, fireworks, I need it. Wow, that's my new record. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and I keep forgetting what things are called. Lower the volume. That's what it's called. How am I not breaking any of these bones? Like, I don't get it. Is my game lag? Or am I too strong? Dun dun! Every time when well, 59,000, that's my new record. That is my best record. Oh, and by the way, I found out this half glitch, half not. Like if you just jump and you press stop, you actually get money. So it's basically a way of getting free money. See, I'll just jump once. I jumped. It said I broke 4.4 thousand bones and I just jumped. I reached 8 miles per hour. Oh, and by the way, guys, I found out like this. Look, I just did that. I pressed stop. $824. It's so weird. I found out this glitch on YouTube, and if you just slide down here, and then once you get to that part, you press stop. It won't give you free money. Oh well, I did just get 2,000 somehow. So I spawned here, right? If I go back up there, so that's stage 4, right? And if I try going to stage 5, it'll just teleport me back if I go up the ladders. But if I go up the rocks, then I can just jump down. See, this is 4. The next one is 5. So if I just go up these, look. So this is where you ragdoll. But first you have to slide down that thing, press stop, and then come back up here. You can only do it when you have level stage 4 and 3. Like if you don't do the slide thing, you'll just ragdoll and fall down there. But if you do, then you can just climb up these rocks to stage 5. And while I'm climbing up, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will start doing streams when I get like 100 subs, and like in a few years, since I just started like a month, 2 months ago. In a few years, I will do another face reveal like normally YouTubers do, and I'm not going to show my face ever till a few years. And also, when I'm like a teenager, I will draw my life. Alright, so we're on stage 5. You won't ragdoll, my game's lagging, until you get all the way down to stage 4. See? Once I hit this floor, I ragdoll. Wait, no. Once I hit there, I ragdoll. Wait. There we go. There we go. That's much better. I'm like, am I invincible? What the heck is happening? Yeah, I really need to start grinding. Well, that sucks. 16. Yeah, it does make sense. I just jump. Ha! Woo! Ha! Miles per hour. Ching. I earned 2,000 and I didn't even touch the floor. I didn't even touch the floor. I'm going down. Boop. I didn't break any bones and I got 3,000. This is like a glitch somehow. It just randomly works. It's so weird. Ha! Oh, thank God. Just in time. See, I got $3,820 just for hitting 127 miles per hour. Like, that's insane. That is legitimately insane. Boom! 119. Free money. Instead of just waiting, you earn free money, basically. Huh? No. Down here. This is where I got the money on the first fall I did. Like 3,000, what it, oh, my game's lagging. That only did 38 bones broken. How? Well, I did get $9,000. So, pretty good. I guess. Look, you know how I did the glitch before? If I just randomly go here. See, I broke 2 bones for falling. What the heck? I sprained it for just ragdolling. What the heck? This game is just so weird. If I didn't break my head if it hit it, I will be so, like, I don't know. Stop. I earned $18,000. I'm going to go to main menu. I think it's transactions. No, it's not. It is shop. Upgrade. Fun speed. There we go. There we go. What the heck? I don't even know what that is, but yeah. Yeah, I think that's in... Ooh, da, ba, da, 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 da. That's the last one. Okay, there we go. Now, now I'm pretty sure I get more money. What am I on? Okay, still 4. Wow. I think I'm getting a lot of money now. Wow. Ooh, how much money do I get? Wow, 14,000. Well, come on, I need a big one. I need a big one. Oh, that looks perfect. That, like the dirt place. Yes, straight on the rock. Wow. Well guys, that's going to end up the video here. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video, and then I'll do a stream at 100 subscribers. See you in the next video. Bye!